It ready. It ready. Welcome my middle, make some noise! Get your swag bag. Get your swag bag. And you have a great day and enjoy the endless Pathways to Possibility Career Expo.
Pathways to Possibilities is an event hosted by the Bunnell Foundation. There's 19 pathways. We get all these different organizations to take over each pathway, and we're the professionals, so we get to have the opportunity to be creative and show students what we do in our day-to-day lives and have them have a little taste of it so they can pique their interest and maybe go on and do that in the future.
I think the greatest benefit of P2P is exposing all of our students to all these different career paths, getting to make connections with these different careers.
P2P helps our students with their IGP by bringing awareness to them about all the career opportunities that they have available to them. And when the parents and guardian come in and sit down with the school counselor and the student, then we go over the individual graduation plan to get them ready and start thinking about what they want to be and do when they grow up.
I'm just focused on trying to be a firefighter. Other kids, they might say, okay, I don't know what I want to do yet. Just on the bus ride here, they was like, man, I don't know what I want to do. But the event is Pathway to Possibilities. All these Pathway to Possibilities, you can pick any career.
I've got some friends that don't know what they want to do, but I think they learned a lot today about what they want to do. I had friends coming up to me like, I think I want to do this, I think I want to do that. And it was really cool to see them figure it out.
I didn't even know what this was. I'm from Virginia, and we had nothing like this. I think the closest thing to a job fair we had was just for seniors at my high school, and that was it. If I had known about this, I probably wouldn't have changed my major so many times when I was in college. I like how a lot of the activities the tables have set up are hands-on, so they can actually participate and engage.
I've been to P2P, it's my 5th year in a row. I think it's a great opportunity for all of our students and teachers to be involved in.
We want to thank the Francis P. Bunnell Foundation for hosting this event each and every year and allowing us to participate. It's a great opportunity for us to teach and show the kids.
Don't miss P2P next year.